Hi friends, welcome back to Shri to IIT, the channel. Today we are going to discuss about the admissions and eligibility criteria in the IIT. Now first, admission process. Step 1, you need to enroll for JEE mains exam. Based on your performance in JEE main, around 1,50,000 students will be shortlisted for JEE advanced. Then if you want to write the JEE advanced exam, then enroll for JEE advanced exam. Only if your JEE mains exam score is greater than the NTA's officially declared minimum cutoff score for certain categories of students, then you can take JEE advanced. It means when your score is greater than the cutoff marks or minimum cutoff marks according to your category, then you can enroll for JEE advanced exam. Next, determine your all India rank. Those students who are given both papers, that's first and second paper of the JEE advanced and scored at least 10% in physics, chemistry and maths and total of 35% in the three fields, you would be considered for the ranking. Depending upon the type of the student, the standard for choosing grades alters. This means according to your results and the marks in the JEE advanced, they promote you for the different colleges of the IIT in the different branches of India or different institution. If you got the top 1 or top 2, they prefer you to promote in the top IIT colleges like Madras, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Delhi, Bombay. And next, step 4. The Joint Allocation Authority uses the standardized process to allot the seats at the various IITs. This is a step, as I already told, according to your marks grades, you will be chosen for the different standardized process to allocate the seats for various IITs. If your name appears at the All India rank list, then you will be obliged to participate in the joint allocation process. If your name comes in the All India rank, then you should be participated in the joint allocation process of JOSAA. This JOSAA is a authorization or authority that selects or that promotes you to the different colleges of the IIT. Next, eligibility criteria for IIT. IIT has two eligibility criteria, one for mains exam and one for advanced. To sit for the mains exam, if individual has been given any prestigious exam apart from 12th exam or person who has completed his 12th exam, both are suitable for JEE mains. One, either he should be given any prestigious exam apart from 12th, or he should be completed the 12th exam or PU plus 2. Next, for example, assume the student is appearing or wants to appear for JEE mains in 2021. In that case, the student need to fulfill both the criteria. Both above should be completed for the student. Either one, they should be completed class 12th or the equivalent exam or the same exam in the 2019 or 20. Then you are allowed to sit to the class 12th or an identical test in 2021. Next, qualification for JEE advanced exam. The minimum eligibility condition for JEE advanced is that you must be passed a recognized board of education of 12th with at least 75% of total marks and 65% for the SC, ST and PWD, or B, in 20% of applicants who have passed the same board's final 12th board exam. This means the minimum eligibility for JEE advanced is you need to be passed from 12th standard and scored above 75% and 65% for students who are SC, ST and PWD, or you must be in the top 20% of applicants or the students who have passed the same board of 12th exam. And you may also take JEE advanced if you take class 12th or equivalent test from a recognized board of education during the same school year as JEE advanced. You can take the 12th standard during the year which you write the exam. In this case, you'll only be qualified by for a limited time because you have still not appeared for the 12th board exam. For following that, you must meet the standards of having cumulative GPA at least of 75%. This cumulative GPA means grade per average. This means according to your subjects, your grade will be given and you must score at least 75% in that, or being in top 20% of successful candidates before admitted. Here in the colleges they will select successful candidates. You must be in the top 20% for being before admitted. It is the most necessary information to know if you are giving for an IIT. Next, admissions IIT admissions criteria. To get admission into IIT, you must meet at least one of the two criteria. That's one is appearing for board exam of 12th standard and placing in top 20% of successful applicants in each category of equivalent class 12th board examination that year, which the year which you are writing the IIT, that year you should be passed one board examination and be placed in the top 20% of the students. And both class 12th and top 20% cutoff will be calculated using marks gained by 5 subjects. In these two you should be passed for anyone, and your grades will be and your marks will be achieved by 5 following subjects: 1 physics, chemistry and applied maths. These are the 3, and a regional dialect. This means when you have taken 2 languages, when you have taken more than one language, the language which you have scored higher than other language, means the language which you have scored more marks will be taken for your subjects which will be taken for cumulative GPA. And in this above 4, if any one extra you have given, then the higher one will be selected for marks or for selected for counting the marks. So thank you. I hope you have got the information how to give admission criteria, what are the criteria for admission and what are the eligibilities. So thank you. Please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel. That's Study to IIT. Have a great day.